How to graduate from kindergarten and make professional tables in PowerPoint. If you use the default table formats in PowerPoint, they tend to look cutesy and unprofessional. Start by highlighting everything in the table. In the Table Design ribbon, select No Fill from the Shading menu. Next, highlight the first row and change the text color to black. And while the first row is highlighted, select Bottom Border from the Borders menu. Additional lines depend on the type of table you have, but here we just want to separate the total label and the total price value from the main body of the table. So highlight the two cells above these, and again select Bottom Border from the Border menu. At this point, it already looks much more professional, but spend some time tidying up the layout by aligning columns nicely and adjusting the column widths carefully to make it a nice, compact, easy to read table. I've used this type of table format for many years in published papers, books, social media posts, my website, and wherever I want my audience to focus on the information and not be distracted by silly graphics, shapes, colors, and badly organized data. So go ahead and customize your table for your needs. Keep it simple and keep it professional.